Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create a draft order on Shopify. It's one of the easiest tutorials, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Shopify account and you will end up on your home. Once you end up your home, you can just click on the top left corner orders and you will end up over here. This is where you will see all the orders you are getting from your customers. Once you are here, what you need to do, select any order from over here. If you want to duplicate it or you want to draft that order particularly, you can select a particular order and click on the top right corner and click on duplicate if you want to go ahead and do that. Otherwise, just go back to orders, click on create order if you want to start a new order and want to draft it for someone else. So you can just click on create order. Here you will end up over here. Here you can see you can search products from over here, your existing product on your website, on your Shopify. You can search by their name over here, or you can browse it from over here, or you can add your custom, which is not even available on your website. You can add custom items over here also. So this is very good in my opinion. We have payment options over here like discount, shipping, and even tax over here. And we have customers, market, notes, and tags. These are very normal things like tags, like categories. We have notes, market, which market you are going to sell this, right? So these are the things which you can do. Once you add your products from over here, you will see something like this. Here you can see on the right side customers. You can select your customer from over here, how many customers already ordered from your website, or you can create new one over here. Just click on this and you can start creating a new customer. And after that, you will see once you enter your whole information about the customer, you can see something like this. On the left side, you have products over here. You can add products discounts also. Just click on this price option and you can add discount also over here. And at the bottom you will see that we have a discount on whole order. Like you can see added discount, custom discount. You can add that over here. You can add the shipping, economy or international. You can add that also over here. And after that, what you need to do, just click on the top right corner save button. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to create a draft order. And I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.